Hello dear children, we have already completed adjective. Adjective is a word which is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. It tells more about a noun or a pronoun. What if in a sentence there are more than one adjective? How we are going to write those adjectives? So today we are going to learn order of adjective. So before moving further, let's have a quick recap of adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that tells us more about nouns or pronouns. Example, tall, pretty, huge, 10. When there are two or more adjectives in a sentence, a particular order needs to be followed. Let's take one example. This is my cat. If I want to describe this cat, how I am going to do it? Yes, I will put one adjective or I will use one adjective for describing this cat. So this is my black cat. Here cat is a noun and black is adjective which is used to describe this cat. So black is adjective and black describes the noun cat. What if I want to describe my cat using some more adjectives like small, fat, furry, cute, young, black? So how I am going to do it? Yes, I am going to follow an order. An order will be in this way. First is cute. Cute is opinion. Small is size. Young is age. Fat is shape. Black is color and furry is material. So this is the way how we have to arrange adjectives in proper order. Yes, here these are the order. First is determiner, then opinion, then size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So how we are going to learn all this order? We will simply learn short form, that is dosas com. DOSASCOMP. Dosas com. So letter D stands for determiner, O stands for opinion, S for size, A for age, S for shape, C for color, O for origin, M for material, and P for purpose. So it is very easy. What we have to learn? We have to learn dosas comp. DOSASCOMP. Now we will see this order in detailed way. First one is determiner. First one is determiner. So determiner refers to articles like a, an, and the. It also tell us or inform us whether the adjective is singular or plural, definite or indefinite, next or far. For example, a car, an apple, the book. We can also use either, some, many, my, your, our, and words like this, that, these, those. So first one is determiner. Second one is opinion. Opinion explains what you think about something or someone. Words like good, bad, great, terrible, pretty, silly, lovely, beautiful, enormous, silly, they all tell us about opinion. Some may be beautiful to me, one may be ugly to you, some may be good for me, and someone may be bad for you. So now we will move to third one. It is size. Size tells us how big or small something is. Huge, big, large, tiny, enormous, little, tall, young, gigantic. They all are size. Fourth one is age. It tells us how young or old something or someone is. Words used to determine age are young, old, new, ancient, 6-year-old, antique, youthful. So these are adjectives used to determine and age. Fifth one is shape. It describes the shape of something. For example, flat, round, square, triangular, rectangular, etc. Sixth one is color. It describes the color of something like red, black, pale, bright, faded, shining, yellow, orange. For example, blue eye, pale skin, shining face. Now, seventh one, it is origin. Origin describes where something comes from. French, American, Canadian, Mexican, Greek, Swiss, we all are Indian. So it tells us origin of a person or something. Now, eighth one is material. It tells or describes what something is made up of, made from. Wooden, silk, metal, paper, gold, silver, copper, cotton. It tells about the material. For example, wooden furniture, silk sari. These all tells us about how that thing is made up of, or the thing which is used to make any material or any thing. Now, ninth one is purpose. Purpose describes what something is used for. These adjectives often ends with ing. For example, writing, rolling, sleeping, roasting, running, dancing, etc. So now what we will do, we will see few examples. You can see the first one. Determiner is A, great, French, painting. So A is determiner, great is opinion, French is origin, and noun is painting. In the same way, the big, antique, wooden table. My favorite purple cotton scarf. This tiny, round Hungarian coin. Those ugly, old coffee mugs. 5 triangular, green puzzle pieces. So in all these, what we have seen that while describing first in painting, then table, scarf, coin, mugs, and pieces, what we have done, we have arrange all the adjectives in proper order. And what is the order? Order is determiner, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. And at the last, we will put our noun. So now we will see few sentences how to arrange adjectives in proper order. I have a very small blue suitcase. Here, suitcase is described by using adjectives like small and blue. Second sentence, a nice, beautiful young girl. Nice, beautiful, young. These three adjectives are used to describe girl here. That is a big black American car. So to describe, here we have used three adjectives: big, black, American. In next sentence, my mother loves that beautiful old big green car of my grandfather's. So to describe our grandfather's car, we have used here adjectives like beautiful, old, big, and green. In the last sentence, a wonderful old Italian clock. To describe a clock, three adjectives we have used here, that these are wonderful, old, and Italian. So here you can see all are arranged in proper order. In first sentence, first is small, that is size, then color. In second one, nice is opinion, beautiful is also opinion, and young is age. In third one, big is size, black is color, and American is origin. Also, you have seen here that while arranging in proper adjective order, we have used determiner a and that at the beginning. In fourth sentence, also we have used that in the beginning of the adjectives. Then we have used beautiful, old, big, and green adjectives. So they are: beautiful is opinion, old is age, big is size, and green is color. And last one, wonderful is opinion, old is age, and Italian is origin. So in this way, we have to arrange adjectives when in a sentence we have more than one adjective. So try to do it, try to complete your exercises, and please read it again. Read order of adjective again.